Well, dinosaurs were a very varied group of animals, and they evolved and filled all the different kinds of land ecological niches over a period of 160 million years. So they went in several different directions during that long course of time. Some of them became bipedal, ran on their back legs and were meat eaters, and some of them stayed quite small and became swift-footed small predators that often worked together in packs. Others of them became very large, solitary carnivores, such as Tyrannosaurus. So all the meat-eating dinosaurs more or less went in one direction. They were mostly bipedal, and so that was one sort of area. They didn't exploit four-footed predation really in the way that mammals have. But the plant eaters went in many different directions. Some of them got really large. Those are the sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. And they were anything up to 30 or more tons, and they appear to be just eating machines. So they must have spent 24 hours a day eating, more or less, to stay alive. But other kinds of plant eaters evolved different ways of dealing with vegetation, and instead of doing what the sauropods did, which they swallowed stomach stones, and they had huge guts, and the stones themselves helped to grind up the plants. Other plant-eating dinosaurs developed much more complex teeth, and they actually developed chewing mechanisms. And so as we see dinosaurs evolving through time, we've got a whole range of plant eaters becoming more and more sophisticated, and ending up with a group called the hadrosaurs, the duck-billed dinosaurs, who developed complex tooth batteries, and their jaws swung in and out, and so they were very efficient chewers. And they became one of the most successful groups of dinosaurs of all time towards the end of the Cretaceous period, the last of the three dinosaur periods. And other groups stayed on all fours and became big and tank-like and armoured. So the plant eaters actually were very varied, much more varied than the meat eaters, and of course there were far more of them. There's maybe, of all the dinosaurs that are known so far, 70% of them were plant eaters.